Hello students, once again welcome you to GK's maths classes. Today we are going to continue with the differentiation. This is the part 9 of the video where we are going to continue with more problems in parametric differentiation. In part 8 I have already introduced you to parametric differentiation and I have done few problems based on that. Today we will continue and do few more questions. Okay, so let's make a beginning. And these are the formulas which I wanted to do. Okay, just for your reference I'm just showing you these formulas. Now we'll straight away get inside the problem. So here, as a continuation of parametric differentiation, I have x is equal to sine inverse of 2t by 1 plus t square, and I have tan inverse of 2t by 1 minus t square, and I have to prove that dy by dx is 1. Here my parameter is t. So now if you notice very carefully, this satisfies sine 2a formula. So what I will do is I will take t as tan theta. When I take t as tan theta, I will get x is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So x is equal to sine inverse of, what is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? It is sine 2 theta. Now what is sine inverse of sine 2 theta? It is nothing but 2 theta. So this is x is equal to 2 into, what is theta? Theta is tan inverse of t. So now I will find dx by dt, which is 2 by 1 plus t square, because differentiation of tan inverse of t is 1 by 1 plus t square. Now let's go to y. Y is tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So what is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta? It is nothing but tan 2 theta. All trigonometric formulas. So it is 2 theta. Now what is theta? 2 tan inverse of t. So what is dy by dt? It is 2 by 1 plus t square. Now I want to find dy by dx. What's the formula? Dy by dx is dy by dt into dt by dx. dt by dx. Now what is dy by dt? dy by dt is 2 by 1 plus t square, and dt by dx will be 1 plus t square by 2. So they get cancelled, you get 1. Or if you don't like to do like this, if you notice carefully, look at this. This is like y equal to x, correct? Because both are theta. Y equal to 2 theta, x is equal to theta, so y is equal to x. So obviously dy by dx will be 1. So this is a shorter way of doing this problem. If this doesn't strike you, you have to follow this. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Now here it is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and this is 2t by 1 plus t square. So what I do here is I will take t as tan theta. So what is x is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is nothing but cos 2 theta. So I have changed my parameter from t to theta. Now what is y? Y is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, which is nothing but you can say it is sine 2 theta. Okay. So now what do? You just have to differentiate. So I will take a dy by d theta first, which is 2, which is or if you want to do it in an easier way, what I will do, I'll square and add x square plus y square, which is nothing but cos square 2 theta plus sine square 2 theta. This is a little easier, which is 1. So I got x square plus y square equal to 1. Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Here there is no parametric, okay? So it's just 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. 2 gets cancelled because differentiation of 1 is 0. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is minus x by y. But since it's a parametric equation, your answer should be in terms of parameters. So what I will do, I will substitute for x. What is my x? X is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. And what is my y? 2t by 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancels. So I am left with t square minus 1 by 2t. How did I get t square minus 1? I open the bracket. This is the easier way to do. If you don't want to do like this, you can find dx by d theta, you can find dy by d theta, and then also you can do it. This I feel is much easier. Now let's go to the next question. Here it is root of 1 plus t square. So I will put t as tan theta. When you put t as tan theta, let us see what y is. Y is sine inverse of, in place of t I put tan theta, divided by root of 1 plus tan square theta, which is y equal to sine inverse of tan theta. I will keep it as it is, and 1 plus tan square secant square, root of secant square is secant theta. Now convert everything to sine and cos. So I get sine inverse of sine theta by cos theta, and secant is 1 by cos theta. So the cos and cos cancels. So I get sine inverse of sine theta, which is nothing but theta. I'll differentiate little later, let it be there. Now what is x is equal to? Cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. So x is what? X is cos inverse of 1 by secant theta, because 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, root of secant square theta is secant theta. So this is x is equal to cos inverse of, what is 1 by secant? 1 by secant is cos. So clearly you can see x is theta. Now you can see y is theta, x is theta. This implies y equal to x. So what is my dy by dx? Dy by dx is 1. Very simple. Correct? By making a substitution, it becomes easy. If you try to differentiate directly, it gets very complicated. Okay, now this is a very important and very nice sum where we are going to go to the second derivative also. Okay. The first, let's write y. What is y equal to? A into theta plus sine theta. Now what is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta will be a into, differentiation of theta is 1, and differentiation of sine theta will be cos theta. Now what is my x? My x is a into 1 plus cos theta. So what is dx by d theta? Dx by d theta will be a into minus sine theta, minus sine theta. Now I want to find dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? Dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Parametric differentiation. Dy by d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta, and d theta by dx is reciprocal of this, minus a sine theta. A and a cancels. You also know from trigonometry 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. I am using this formula. 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square a. Okay? And sine theta, I will write it as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, because I am using sine 2a formula. What is sine 2a formula? 2 sine a cos a. Now clearly 2 gets cancelled, cos gets cancelled. So what you are left with? Cos by sine will be minus cot theta by 2. This is my dy by dx. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. I need this space, so I'll just keep the formula here. Okay. This is your dy by dx. Now how to find d square y by dx square? So differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is differentiation of dy by dx? It will be d square y by dx square minus, what is differentiation of cot? Differentiation of cot will be minus cosecant square theta by 2. Cot differentiation is minus cosecant square theta by 2. Now I have to differentiate theta by 2. So 1 by 2 is retained, and differentiation of theta with respect to x will be d theta by dx. This is something which you should never forget. You should not forget to differentiate theta with respect to x, because here the second order derivative I am differentiating only with respect to x, not with respect to theta. Okay. So d square y by dx square will be minus into minus is plus, and I write cosecant as 1 by sine square theta by 2, and I write this 2 in front. And what is d theta by dx? D theta by dx is 1 by a sine theta with a minus sign, minus 1 by a sine theta, reciprocal of d theta by dx. Okay, now this is minus 1 by 2, 2 sine 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sine square a. I am using this formula. So if it is 2 sine square a, it is 1 minus cos 2a. It's a double angle. But here it is theta by 2. So 2a will become theta. Okay. So it will be 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. And this will be a into sine theta. Or otherwise there is no need to go for this. I will straight away, he is asking me to put the values, right? Theta equal to pi by 2. That is much easier, which is minus 1 by 2 sine square. Theta is pi by 2, so theta by 2 will be pi by 4 into 1 by a sine pi by 2, which is minus 1 by 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, the whole square, into 1 by a sine pi by 2 is 1. And this is minus 1 by 2, and 2 gets cancelled because the whole square is minus 1 by a. That proves the result. That is exactly what I wanted to prove. D square y by dx square is minus 1 by a at theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, let's go to the next question. This is a very, very important. It has come many times in the board exam, so watch this carefully. So y equal to sine pt, and I have x is equal to sine t. Here parameter is t. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to do dy by dt. What is dy by dt? First I differentiate sine, that is cos pt. Then I differentiate pt, so it is p. Differentiation of t is 1 because I am differentiating with respect to t. Now what is dx by dt? Dx by dt will be cos t. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be dy by dt into dt by dx. What is dy by dt? Dy by dt is p cos pt, and dt by dx will be 1 by cos t. This is my dy by dx. Now I want to go to the second derivative. One thing is you can use quotient rule, but there's an easier way to do. What I will do is first I'll square this. When I square this, I get p square into cos square pt divided by cos square t by squaring both sides. Now this is dy by dx the whole square. Now what is cos square? Cos square is 1 minus sine square. 1 minus sine square t. I cross multiply also. And this is p square into 1 minus sine square pt. Cos square is 1 minus sine square. Now clearly you can see this is 1 minus x square because x is sine t, and this is dy by dx the whole square equal to p square into 1 minus y square. I'm replacing sine pt by y. Now again differentiate. This is easy. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is u and this is v. Product rule. U into, what is differentiation of dy by dx whole square? 2 into dy by dx, I'm using chain rule, into d square y by dx square. Don't forget this. First I differentiate the power, then I differentiate dy by dx. Plus v. What is v? v is dy by dx the whole square, and differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. 1 differentiation is 0, minus x square is minus 2x. P square is a constant, and differentiation of 1 is 0, so I am not writing that. Minus y square will be minus 2y into dy by dx. Chain rule again. First I differentiate the power, then I differentiate y. Don't forget that. 2 gets cancelled. dy by dx gets cancelled. So I get 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx equal to p square y minus p square y. If you bring the p square this side, you get the answer. d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus p square y equal to 0. I hope this is clear to you. Question. This is y equal to sine cube theta and x is equal to cos theta. Now what is dy by d theta? dy by d theta will be 3 sine square theta cos theta. I am using chain rule. First I differentiate 3 and then I differentiate sine. Now what is dx by d theta? dx by d theta will be minus sine theta. Okay. So now I want to find dy by dx. How do I find dy by dx? dy by dx is dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Now dy by d theta is what? dy by d theta is 3 sine square theta cos theta, and d theta by dx will be 1 by sine theta with the minus sign. Okay. So now sine and sine gets cancelled. I am left with minus 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay, this is my dy by dx. Now what I will do is, I will multiply and divide by 2. I multiply and divide by 2. So when I do that, I get dy by dx as what? As minus 3 by 2. 2 sine theta cos theta will be sine 2 theta. So this is my dy by dx. This is my dy by dx. Now I want to go for the second derivative. d square y by dx square. I am differentiating this with respect to x. Don't forget that. That is minus 3 by 2. What is differentiation of sine? Differentiation of sine will be cos. Then what is differentiation of 2 theta with respect to x? It will be 2 into d theta by dx. So 2 gets cancelled. I get minus 3 cos 2 theta into, what is d theta by dx? d theta by dx will be 1 by sine theta with a minus sign. So minus and minus gets cancelled. Okay. So that finishes that part. So what is my second derivative? D square y by dx square will be 3 cos 2 theta by sine theta. That's job done. Now I take the left hand side of what I want to prove. What I wanted to prove, left hand side, that is y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square. Now y, what is y? y is sine cube theta into, what is d square y by dx square? It is 3 cos 2 theta by sine theta plus dy by dx whole square. So it will be 9 by 4 sine square 2 theta, correct? Dy by dx whole square, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, sine square 2 theta, minus becomes plus. So they get cancelled. So I get sine square theta into 3 cos 2 theta plus 9 by 4. Sine 2a is what? 2 sine a cos a the whole square. So this will effectively become sine square is common, or we'll come to that step later, cos 2 theta plus 9 sine square theta cos square theta. Why? This 4 and 4 gets cancelled because it is whole square. Now from these two, 3 is common, sine square theta is common, so I am left with 3 cos 2 theta plus 3 cos square theta. I have taken 3 and sine square also common. Now what I do, this is 3 sine square theta into cos 2 theta. What is the formula? Since I have taken 3 outside, this 3 will not be there. Okay? Cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 3 cos square theta. So this will be 2 sine, so this will be 3 sine square theta into 2 plus 3 is 5 cos square theta minus 1. That is exactly what I wanted to prove. Just have a look at it. 3 sine square theta into 5 cos square theta minus 1. So you have to do the problem very carefully. Okay, make sure you don't, you know the trigonometry formula, apply it in the right place, you'll get the answer. Okay, the next one is y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. What is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta will be a into minus sine theta, because differentiation of 1 is 0, cos theta differentiation is minus sine theta. And then I have x is equal to a into theta plus sine theta. So what is dx by d theta? Dx by d theta will be a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiation of theta is 1, sine theta is cos theta. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx will be dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Now what is dy by d theta? Minus a sine theta, and d theta by dx will be 1 by a into 1 plus cos theta. So they get cancelled. Now what do? Use sine 2a formula. This is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I am using trigonometry. 1 plus cos theta, what is the formula? 2 cos square theta by 2. Today also we have used formulas. Okay, so it should be clear to you. 2 gets cancelled, cos gets cancelled. So what I am left with? Minus tan theta by 2. This is my dy by dx. So I am going to go for second derivative. Now how do I do second derivative? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is differentiation of dy by dx? It will be d square y by dx square equal to, I'll keep the minus outside, tan differentiation is secant square theta by 2, and theta by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2 into d theta by dx. Again I'm repeating, don't forget to differentiate theta with respect to x. So this is minus 1 by 2 cos square theta by 2. Why? Secant square is 1 by cos. And what is d theta by dx? D theta by dx is 1 by a into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now what I do? I'm going to use trigonometry again. 2 cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta. Formula. This remains as it is. Now I multiply and divide by a. So I get minus a by a into a is a square, 1 plus cos theta the whole square, which is minus a by, what is a square into 1 plus cos theta whole square? It is nothing but y square. This is exactly what I wanted to prove. Let's go to the next question. Y equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. What is dy by d theta? Dy by d theta will be a into sine differentiation is cos and cos differentiation is minus sine, so it will become plus b sine theta. Now if you observe this very carefully, this is nothing but x. So your dy by d theta is x. Okay, I hope you are able to visualize that. But this is x, that is what is given to you. Now take x is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. Again differentiate dx by d theta, which is minus a sin theta plus b cos theta. Now what I will do here is I will take minus outside. So I get a sin theta minus b cos theta, which happens to be my y. So my dx by d theta is minus y. So now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Now what is dy by d theta? X. And d theta by dx is minus y. Okay. So now this is your dy by dx. I want to prove this, right? So what I will do, differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square equal to, I'm going to use quotient rule. First I will keep the minus outside completely. This minus I keep outside. What is quotient rule? Y square, y into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into, what is differentiation of y? Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now you cross multiply. Y square d square y by dx square equal to minus y plus x into dy by dx. I am opening the bracket with the minus sign. Now bring all the term to one side. What will I get? Y square into d square y by dx square. If I bring this minus plus x dy by dx, it will become minus x dy by dx. And I bring this minus y, this side becomes plus y equal to 0. That is exactly what I wanted to prove. Okay. Now we are going to do the last problem in this section, parametric differentiation, where this is an NCERT question. It's a very lengthy problem. Okay. I will do dy by dt. You can try dx by dt by yourself. Okay. Rather it gets too lengthy, and then you can put them together. The idea is this. I want to prove this is equal to minus cot 3t. So I will do dy by dt first. It's cos cube t by root of cos 2t. Straight away, there's no shortcut. You have to do dy by dt, nothing else. Quotient rule. What do you get? Cos 2t, and I get root of cos 2t, and differentiation of cos cube t will be 3 cos square t into minus sin t. Why minus? Differentiation of cos is minus. Minus cos cube t into, what is differentiation of root of cos 2t? 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2. Very carefully you have to differentiate. First I differentiate the root, then I differentiate cos, then I differentiate 2t. So now clearly this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I am taking LCM. So I get minus, this will become cos 2t, 3 cos square t sin t, okay, and minus into minus is plus, cos cube t sin 2t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Now this is actually, if you watch this carefully, okay, we'll just one more step, minus 3 cos square t sin t, excuse me, 3 cos square t sin t into cos 2t plus cos cube t into sin t is 2 sin t cos t. I am using sin 2a formula, divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Now how do I simplify? The simplification is very important. If you watch carefully, in both the terms sin t is common and cos t is also common. Correct? Sin t and cos t is common. So actually cos square t is common. So I will get minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t. I took cos square outside. Cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Now what you do? This is sin t, numerator is cos square t. I write this cos 2t in terms of cos. 3 cos square t, sorry, this 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. So I just wrote cos 2t as 2 cos square t minus t. Now open the bracket. Sin t cos square t. This will get minus 6 cos square t plus 3 plus 2 cos square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Now you can see this is nothing but sin t cos square t into 3 minus 4 cos square t minus 6 plus 2. Okay. Then what do? You send one cos inside, only one cos. Okay, so it will be sin t cos t, and this will be 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t. Now you see how complicated this is. Cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Now clearly if you see, this is minus cos 3a. Okay, cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, but it is the other way around, so you have to put minus sin t cos t, and this is cos 3t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. This is 1. This is your dy by dt. You understand? It's very complicated, very lengthy. Now I have to find dx by dt. Maybe I'll just do it for you. I get x is equal to sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t. I'll just do little fast. So dx by dt will be cos 2t, and numerator will be root of cos 2t into 3 sin square t. This is exactly like what you did in the for dy by dt. Only thing, the function is slightly different. Sin cube t into 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into minus sin 2t into 2. So 2 gets cancelled. I take LCM, I get cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t, and this will be plus sin cube t. I write the sin 2t as 2 sin t cos t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. As usual, if you see carefully, sin square t is common, cos t is common, so you get 3 cos 2t plus 2 sin square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Now once again, this is cos t into sin square t, and what is this? 3 into, I will write this in terms of sine. There I wrote in terms of cos, here I will write in terms of sine, which is 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Now this is cos t into sin t. If you open the bracket, you get 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 cosine square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. I am doing it fast because I assume that you know already. I have explained dy by dt. dx by dt is not so difficult. It's exactly like dy by dt. So this is cos t into sin square t. This is actually 3 minus 4 sin square t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. So I will send one sign inside. What do you get? Cos t sin t into 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. Clearly this is sin 3a formula. So this is sin t cos t sin 3t divided by cos 2t the whole power 3 by 2. What is this? This is your dx by dt. Now I want to find dy by dx. Now dy by dx will be dy by dt, that is this one, dy by dt, and divided by dx by dt. You see, everything is same except that on the numerator you'll get minus cos 3t, denominator you'll get sin 3t. So it will be minus cos 3t by sin 3t, whereas all other terms gets cancelled. So the answer is minus cot 3t. I did this problem in a rush because I thought I don't want to waste too much time in explanation. Because I already explained this part clearly. I hope this is clear to you. With that, we finish parametric differentiation. Next, I will be starting with the application of differentiation. I hope these videos are useful to you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications. See you again in the next class. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.